Welcome to the shimmering world of the neon rainbowfish.
Scientifically named Melanotenia praecox, the species is an aquatic gem.
The beautiful fish is often referred to as the dwarf rainbowfish.
The majestic body features a spectacular neon blue coloration.
Bright red fins contrast perfectly against the shimmering blue body.
The metallic scales reflect the aquarium lights like tiny underwater mirrors.
The dwarf rainbowfish reaches a maximum size of 7.5 centimeters.
Notice the highly characteristic large eyes common to the rainbowfish family.
The deeply cleft mouth gives the fish a very unique facial appearance.
A subtle silver stripe runs horizontally along the center of the body.
Dual dorsal fins extend majestically towards the tail section.
Male neon rainbowfish display the most intense and fiery red fins.
The female fish often features softer yellow or light orange fins.
The striking neon colors make the fish look exactly like a swimming sign.
A small group will establish a beautiful and tight schooling formation.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 20 gallon or 75 liters.
The highly active swimmer requires immense horizontal swimming space.
A dark gravel substrate makes the neon blue colors visually explode.
Carefully placed driftwood arrangements replicate the natural habitat perfectly.
Smooth stone decorations add natural complexity to the aquatic environment.
Maintain the water temperature coolly between 18 and 22 degrees. The slightly cooler water conditions keep the rainbowfish entirely healthy.
The ideal pH level ranges from 5.8 to 6.5. The neon rainbowfish thrives perfectly in soft and slightly acidic water. Keep the water hardness level carefully between 8 and 12 kh.
The species demonstrates a very easy care level for dedicated beginners.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial flakes.
Inking meat pellets provide an excellent and balanced daily diet.
Live brine shrimp trigger the natural predatory instincts of the fish. Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for rapid growth.
Despite the large mouth, the internal throat is surprisingly narrow.
Avoid feeding large pellets to completely prevent the fish from choking.
A clean and perfectly plump belly indicates outstanding dietary wellness. The neon rainbowfish possesses a highly peaceful and friendly personality.
Medium-sized community tetras make the absolute perfect tank companions.
A group of young rainbowfish forms a beautiful and highly active school.
The male flashes bright neon colors to attract the female during breeding.
A dense patch of Java moss provides an excellent natural breeding site.
The female fish deposits tiny eggs directly into the soft green moss.
Separating the adult fish ensures the absolute highest survival rate for the babies.
Maintain the breeding tank exactly at 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
The tiny rainbowfish fry hatch successfully after 6 to 7 days.
Crushed baby brine shrimp provide the perfect starting food for the fry. The sleek and highly aerodynamic body shape is built perfectly for speed.
The neon coloration pops beautifully against dark green background plants.
The highly intelligent fish often remains perfectly still while observing the room.
The rainbowfish quickly recognizes the owner and swims to the front glass.
A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable.
The bright morning lighting creates a brilliant metallic sheen across the body.
The extremely thin side profile minimizes water resistance beautifully.
Tall Amazon sword plants provide the perfect natural environment for the fish.
A highly pristine environment keeps the majestic fish completely free of stress.
A peaceful community ensures the delicate fin edges remain entirely unblemished.
The neon rainbowfish brings an undeniable tropical elegance indoors.
The intelligent fish waits eagerly right at the feeding ring every afternoon.
A completely black background poster makes the blue body visually explode.
Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect balance.
The species proves to be a highly rewarding experience for any dedicated aquarist.
Highly oxygenated and crystal clear water ensures the absolute best health condition.
The fish looks like a tiny aquatic diamond moving silently through the leaves.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
Vibrant red stem plants perfectly complement the blue and red coloration.
The strong fish hovers effortlessly against the flow of the circulation pump.
The fish establishes a completely peaceful hierarchy within the community.
The neon rainbowfish perfectly demonstrates why the family is universally popular.
Once completely relaxed, the fish spreads the fins widely across the middle water column.
The highly curious fish checks every small crevice in the rock hardscape.
The fish rests entirely motionless during the darkest part of the night cycle.
The energetic fish wakes up instantly as the morning lights turn on.
The fish looks exactly like an elegant aquatic monarch, surveying the underwater kingdom.
The fish provides an endless display of highly entertaining motion to static layouts.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
Notice the tiny intricate scale details covering the shimmering blue body.
A sharp turn reveals the beautiful unique pattern of the red dorsal fins.
Natural overarching driftwood bridges provide a perfect sense of security.
The fish brings an incredible burst of majestic contrast to the green background. The fish demonstrates an extremely sturdy swimming posture despite the delicate appearance.
Natural dried almond leaves release beneficial tannins for the elegant rainbowfish. The vibrant fish makes even the dullest tank decorations look instantly beautiful.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the neon colors visually explode.
The cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The confident fish always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
Behold the large and highly majestic beauty of the neon rainbowfish. The perfectly healthy symmetrical body shape is a highly impressive marvel.
A small group creates a truly unforgettable and entirely mesmerizing visual masterpiece.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing elegant fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful neon rainbow fish? Tell us below.
The neon rainbowfish is a true 5-star addition for dedicated beginners.
Always remember to appreciate the majestic centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
Keep your water clean and your premium rainbow fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and beautiful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
The strong fish swims continuously without showing any signs of resting fatigue.
The fish explores the deepest corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
The highly peaceful fish simply ignores the aggressive behavior of other tank mates.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.